a journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. Kofi is near the end of the second phase of the renovation and getting ready to renovate the yard. Kofi is converting the garage into a living space. A garage has a purpose, and now there is no garage, so a temporary one needs to be established. Kofi tried to do without a garage, resulting in loss of some material and a big mess when spring weeds emerged. Without a garage or a place to use renovation tools, Kofi also had to store tools in the space under renovation. The act of storing tools in a renovated space contributed to an inefficient, messy, dangerous, and drawn-out renovation. This takes Kofi to Coverpro portable shed. While not an ideal solution, it will be a great help. Storing paint, insulation, small amounts of lumber, Mr. Tucks, bicycles, gas dryer, and other items currently scattered in the yard. The video covers portions that Kofi considers challenging. The first challenge is Kofi working on a slightly sloped, grassed area. This is not ideal, and the Coverpro was intended to be on a level surface. The surface does not lend well to a ladder. Mr. Tucks was a solution. The wheelbarrow provided a platform to reach a high point of the Coverpro framing to pull the canopy over and secure its end to the frame. The next challenge was to install the auger anchors into the soil. Not too long ago, Kofi suffered a water heater breakdown and bought a 1.5-inch socket for future maintenance. The socket, along with an impact driver, came in handy. It took way less effort to install the augers than by hand. The roof frame is assembled first. Some tape is recommended to hold portions together, specifically the middle pieces. The end portions need to come apart to install the tarp entry door and the rear tarp representing the back wall. In the description is a helpful video that leads to other helpful videos. After watching those videos, Kofi is inspired to revisit the project. What does that mean? Well, applying a UV protectant. And here's one specifically for tents. This temporary structure must last at least a year, and Kofi is very concerned it will not survive heavy wind or snowfall. The instructions did say it should be taken down when a bad storm approaches. This is easy when its intended purpose is for storing a car, but Kofi uses it to keep stuff. That's all for now. The day is won.